Here is how you can get Claude to run your SEO 24/7 on autopilot every single day. First, we need to download the desktop app for Claude because we have a little bit more features compared to the web app mode. And then we're going to want to go ahead and utilize our skills. Now, skills are preset processes that you can create and use easily in Claude, and you can do it on a weekly or a daily basis. So for example, I have a couple of different skills here. For the first skill is the backlink opportunity. This allows the AI to go out and find the best backlink opportunities and the best opportunities to increase your DR or your DA based upon your website and then based upon your competitors as well. We also have the ultimate SEO skill. Now this skill acts as a senior SEO consultant for any business. Use this skill anytime the user wants to do SEO, rank higher on Google, audit their website, research keywords, so on and so forth. So essentially this is a complete SEO skill that will go out, do an audit, give you actionable insights to your specific niche, to your specific website based upon real data that it'll go out and search the internet or search Ahrefs or use Chrome to get real live data and give you that data and actionable insights that you can do to increase your SEO. We also have an SEO audit skill. This allows you to conduct world-class comprehensive SEO audit with competitive analysis as well. So again, similar, but this goes out and does audit based upon your competitors. And it's also really good at giving you recommendations for on-page optimizations for your website and also off-page. We also have a skill that allows you to humanize content. So this will humanize your content so it sounds a little bit more human sounding if you're worried about your content being flagged as AI. So as you can see, the skills are, once you set up the skills, it's easy for you to use. All we have to do is hit the backslash and we can see here all of our skills will pop up. We just hit backspace and we can see all of our skills here. And for example, we can use the ultimate SEO skill, and then we can go ahead, copy over any website that we're working on, and then we don't even have to say anything because the AI will know exactly what it needs to do. So we can go ahead, find that skill, and then do the audit based upon the website that you enter. So very easy for you to do. Now, the third thing that you need to do to ensure that this happens every single day or on whatever schedule you like is to use the co-work mode and then the schedule task. Now, this is where you can hit create with Claude, or you can set up manually. So if I go to set up manually, I can give it a name, a description, and I can use the model and I can use the frequency in which I would like it to do. So for example, as you can see here, again, I can enter my skill. So I can say we can do hourly, daily, weekly. I can do every week or monthly. I want you to find new and fresh backlink opportunities for this site, and you put your site in. Now what you can also do is you can also connect MCP. So what that means is if I head over to connectors, if I head over to customize, I'll be able to see all of the connectors that I can connect to it. So I can actually connect with my Google Drive. I could also, if I click plus browse connectors, I can connect to Gmail. So I simply just go on to connect and then I have to sign into my account, right? So I can connect my Gmail. Now, once my Gmail is connected, let's go back over to my schedule, new task, create manually. So just pretend that we have our same prompt. And then I can tell it to, once you find the information, send it via email to my Gmail that's connected. Or you can send it to your HubSpot, you can send it to whatever other connector there is in Claude, which is a lot and it's growing. So a lot of the big tools that you use, Zapier, Make, all of these tools are already embedded into Claude. So you can set up a schedule which automatically does a audit on a weekly or monthly basis, gets the information, sends it over to your CRM or to your email. So again, that was just one skill that I showed you guys, but as you can see here, you can do this with any other skill, and you can even use Claude to create a skill if you like. I'm working on a new platform which has all of my SOPs that I mentioned in today's video and on this YouTube channel in one place. So you'll be able to easily navigate different SOPs for different use cases using the most powerful and relevant tools of today. You can watch the videos, you can download the file, and you can navigate and find whichever SOP you need. If you want to get access to this early platform, comment SOP below and I'll send you over the link.